Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. We are here with a tutorial on the FXOpen broker from the Tradingfinder website. First, we enter the Forex Brokers section from the Reviews part and select FXOpen from the available brokers by clicking the Go to Website option. We enter the official website of this broker. As you can see, we can start the registration process by clicking the Sign Up option. In the first step, it asks us for the country of residence, and after entering that, we start the process. Well, as you can see, on the first page, it asks us for information such as email and password. We recommend using numbers, lowercase letters, uppercase letters, and symbols for the password. After entering this information, we click on the Create Your Account option. In the next step, we need to enter our first and last name. We click on the Continue option. After entering our phone number, we click on the Continue option. In this step, a code will be sent to the phone number we entered, which we need to enter here. After entering the code, we enter the next page where we select our trading platform. After selecting the account type, we click on the Continue option. On this page, the website's terms and conditions are shown to us, which we can agree to after reading them. On the next page, the account type and the login and password for the MetaTrader platform are shown to us, which we can copy, before clicking on the Continue option. On the next page, we enter our nationality and passport number, as well as our date of birth. After entering the information, we click on Continue. In this step, you can verify your account by uploading your identity documents such as a driver's license, national ID card, or passport, which will be discussed in more detail in future tutorials. This tutorial skips this step. On the next page, it asks us for our residential address. After entering it, we click on Continue. To verify the address, we can upload a document such as a bank statement or utility bill, which this tutorial skips. In this step, we can register for an account. As you can see, our registration with this broker was successfully completed. In the next tutorials, we will align with you on the deposit section and complete account verification. Wishing you success and profitability.